Hello my amigos, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today, you better grab yourself a coffee, because we're gonna be here for a while. Can you grab me a coffee? Since I've done a full face of makeup once, I feel I'm well equipped to try drag makeup now, which I'm sure I will ace just as much as I aced my last makeup look. My only makeup look. So some of you told me to try drag makeup, and here we are to try drag makeup. I won't give up until I succeed. Quite frankly, I do not know super much about drag queens and drag makeup. I only started watching Drag Race a couple of months ago, I think. But I think it's so fascinating. And since we're gonna be here for a while, we better get started. So without further ado, let's get rid of these eyebrows. I won't shave them off, unfortunately, but I've got my Uhu stick here. Stark und schnell. I have very thick eyebrows, so...
All drag queens have thick eyebrows.
However, the look I will try and recreate is from Aquaria, and she doesn't have eyebrows. Kudos to her. I should probably also get rid of this hat and reveal my ugly ass hair. So I watched a couple tutorials. I will probably still do it wrong. It's still a weird concept for me to put this on my face. I don't want to start with this. So nothing's coming off of this glue, which is great. Oh, so we'll just go in every direction. Get this glue stuff in there, everywhere. And then we'll also make little circles. Can there be too much glue? Honestly, it's a look. Yo, I got some glue on this one too.
Hey, mach weiter.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Hey, du musst den einfach schon wissen.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I gotta do this first. Oh no. Ew, why is this glue so disgusting? They're like crumbs of glue. This is disgusting. I know. Why are there crumbs of glue? Is this glue dry already? Strange, but okay. Definitely need more rounds of glue, and I'll just do the second one now. Get on there, the other direction, and circles. Upwards movements. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm here today. I'm going to be doing a video on how to cover your eyebrows. First things first.
I'm the realist.
I'm not going to get into that song.
Oh, okay. I'm watching another tutorial now by Lucy Garland because I just really want to do it right. Oh yeah, better do that. Give me a nice hairstyle. I hate this look. Should I do it again? Is this setting me up for failure? I'll just continue, I don't know. Okay, I feel like I was setting myself up for failure. I went through it with water and now the crumbs are gone and it's still kind of gluey. This is half a layer now. It's dry and I'll go over it with glue again. Oh no, I can see crumbs again. So that's another layer. Now me almost did blow dry. I'm just wondering, whoever came up with the idea to glue down the eyebrows. Obviously there's a reason because you want your brows to be higher, but who thought it'd be a great idea to use a glue stick and put it on your eyebrows? So funny. Kind of hurts. It's burning.
It's just makeup.
I mean, this isn't makeup. I feel like I'm...
Motherfucking stuff. In this stuff. It makes me wanna
quack.
Like, what the fuck is that?
I don't think I'm doing a good job. Guess I'll do another round. My eyebrow hair is too long. Too long. Too long, too long. One more layer and then I think I'll just quit. I don't know. Okay, now that our eyebrows are crumbly as fuck, we lost 2 hours and our will to live, I think we can move on. I'm ready for the next step. I feel like I used too much glue. It's a sad day for all of us, but my eyebrows are absolutely disgusting and they will look horrible, but I've spent so much time on this that I'm just gonna continue now. Let's set these bitches.
Just dab it on top quite hard.
So I just dab it on top quite hard. My eyebrows hurt so much.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I.
I who?
Your disgusting eyebrow.
I don't want to do this anymore. How did she cover it? You can still see my entire eyebrow. Should have just shaved them off. My eyebrows are just non-gluable. That's my verdict. They look awful. We just move on. Stop mentioning my eyebrows. It's time for primo. I need to color correct my eyebrows. Better coverage now. Don't look at me. I mean it. It looks like I don't have an eyebrow in the viewfinder, and that's all that matters. As if I don't already have too much product on my eyebrows, I'll just add concealer. They look horrible. I'll just stay out of focus like that because, oh no. Now I think I'll switch to Aquaria's tutorial. I'll link both videos in my description box. This is just not it. Can't continue like that. Wouldn't know how to continue like that. I'm lost. I'm gonna have to start over. I absolutely failed at this, and it's back to square one. This time, you see what we're doing. Maybe my mistake was also that I didn't have any coffee while I did it. Und täglich grüßt das Murmeltier. You know, at the end of the day, and this is nothing new, at least you look good. Teamwork makes the dream work. I think Naomi will just keep on doing what she's doing, and I'll see you when my eyebrows hopefully look a bit better. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
I am your mouth.
I'm your third eyebrow.
Yeah, I definitely need even more eyebrows. So, by the way, we had to take one off again. Take one off? I took my entire eyebrow off. I swear nothing ever hurts so much like my eyebrows.
Look, it's not that bad.
Oh my god, I'm so done. No, this is fun. This is fun. Thank you so much. Let's do primer again. Since this video is going so great, my neighbor also decided to drill again. The foundation part is where everything went wrong last time. Here goes nothing. Oh. Okay. Oh!
It's not that big of a deal. Oh, the right one looks so good.
I mean, honestly, it really doesn't look that good. Get in there. Contour. We're doing contour now, Naomi. Contour. This looks like a weird color.
That looks very ashy.
That's what I just said.
I need something more sun-kissed. We continue. Highlight the fuck out of my face. So discouraging to watch a 2-minute video of what you're supposed to do because you feel like you can also do it in 2 minutes, but you end up spending 6 hours on this and you're not even done.
I love that you applied it on your beard. What's that supposed to do?
That's what she did.
On her beard?
No, she doesn't have one.
You look so gorgeous, baby.
Something in my mirror is telling me that you're lying. Naomi, it's baking time. What do I bake with? Cool. I'll look amazing now. Wait, what?
What's happening?
Huh? What the Here? She took this pencil thingy and I think none of us can believe that this day has come, but I think it's time for eyeshadow now. I feel like I just lost everything within me trying to make these eyebrows that I don't know if I have what it takes to do the eyeshadow now. I mean, I know what she's doing. I know how to do it. I just won't be able to do it. Because I just can't see! We have this beautiful thingy. No ad. Which angle? Is this a good angle? No, like this. Oh no, I don't want to do this. Naomi, I'll bake you a cake.
Snatched.
I mean, I feel like it's easier for you because you can see.
Yeah, now you basically just gotta do the same with the other eye.
Not me. I'll bake you muffins. If you do the other eye as well. Do you sometimes breathe in and realize you haven't really breathed in for the last couple of hours and it's just like, air? Mm-hmm. I don't like this. Wait, I'll just try to get rid of the tears first. No, me. I'll make focaccia.
Oh, good.
If you do the second eye.
Stop it!
I did everything else. Then I failed and then you did it. But then I did the rest. There's no product on my brush. Almost up to my hairline, which is cool. Here, and I just go free like a bird, cause I'm like a bird on the flower. Yeah, honestly, I just really don't know what I'm doing. By the time you'll see this video, Kehlani's album will be out and you better be listening. The devil tried to trick me, the devil tried to play me. I got a goody cooker if I let the devil slip. Not so hard, girl, do it. Am I a hot girl?
I would bang you so hard the bed would break.
I'm a bit confused now. Guys, Chili wanted to say hi. And then blend it out with a lot of culo, as we say in Germany. Now we gotta add orange. And we shall add orange here. Now is glitter time! I'm using this glittery eyeshadow. Now I'll add this glitter eyeliner on top. And then I'll also add this loose glitter.
Wow, you look gorgeous actually. Really snatched, you know.
Now she puts white liquid lipstick on her lid, which is super duper fun, I heard. On lid and on lower lash line?
What did I put all the glitter on the lower lash line for?
Let's try and not fuck this up, okay? The thing is I just can't see, but other than that, I feel like I did an okay job so far, but now it's eyeliner time and I'll fuck this up. I blinked. I don't want to blink anymore! Blinking is so overrated. Who blinks in 2020? My wing! Wing, wing, wing!
Great job!
Why am I only halfway through the video? I don't even know where I put all the powder because it's been 4 hours. Oh, then she does that. Dust on some blush. We'll take all the colors. Knock, knock. Blush it on. You love a lot of blush? Oh no! Now it's time for the eyebrows. No, me. I'll make you...
Stop with that!
Let's just go. There was no product on my brush? That's good. This product sucks. This product fucking sucks, but I don't know what else to use.
They are very different.
We love that about them.
That's an ugly ass brow.
Oh no, she really is. Maybe I'm just surprised all the time. I feel like that's what she looks like. Amazing, thank you so much. You know, the problem with my look is I haven't used any Fenty Beauty yet. Hi, Lida.
All all my life just like the Fenty Beauty.
I'm gonna use Chills. Chills! That's what we always call chili. This nose is definitely highlighted to the goods. It's lip time. Does that mean I'm almost done?
What about lashes?
Oh. I'll just try and overline my lips as much as possible, but we all know it's not really possible. The 2 times I've done my makeup definitely reminded me of how small my lips are. I think I'll just add gloss even though she doesn't do that. So I might just add this Fenty Beauty. I may have overlined it a little too much and now I have
There's
lipstick.
no such thing as overlining too much of the dress.
Except when you have a beard.
Oh.
Anyway, it's lash time. Putting on lash is the most boring thing in the world. Let's apply some mascara, and it turns out she uses exactly the same mascara in her tutorial. Oh, I didn't even realize I was crying again. My inner corner looks like crap. I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, I think I did it, which means I probably didn't, but we're just gonna roll with it. Spritz on setting spray. Oh, that burns. We'll add some highlighter with that Fenty Beauty brush. Okay, now I'm adding too much. It's basically a line. That's what I wanted to achieve. She adds a little bit of a bling bling situation under her eyes. We could not find Naomi's bling bling. Instead, we're just gonna use a piece of iridescent diamond cosmetic glitter to make you sparkle. I added a lot of sparkle under my eyes. Dot on beauty marks. It's a mark and it's beauty. Naomi, my makeup is done! I'll just get a wig. And I'm done.
What is this wig?
It's orange, that's why I took it.
The hairline is horrible.
There's still the hairnet thingy.
Ah,
I think the hairline could be quite good actually.
you look cute as hell, bitch.
Do I? Who am I?
You are Virgoria.
I'm not a Virgo.
Librata. Librata. That sounds like an Italian food. Librata.
I hate this! I can't handle long hair. I'm just the top knot exposes my ugly hairline. Librata, you need to cut your hair. Oh, she added super big earrings. This is Librata's final form. Wait, here are some beauty shots, I guess. These earrings are 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe I should have cut the lace. Okay guys, how did I do? I think I did okay. I couldn't have done it without Naomi. This hair! Whoa. Are you laughing about me?
No.
She's laughing about me. Okay. So I guess I'll go take some pictures. In the meantime, you tell me how I did. You tell me if I should quit makeup.
As if you would have done like makeup for like years.
Have you guys ever done drag? Because this is hard. This look took me 8 hours to achieve, so your comments better be nice. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Y entonces nos vemos la próxima vez. Y bye!